Hi everyone, this is Stephanie with Market. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage employees and add new employees. To start, go to More and Employees. On this screen, you can see all of your active employees, and if you click the bold text next to it, you can also view and manage the employees that you have made inactive. In order to add a new employee to your membership, you will need to press the green update, which will take you to the membership screen. You can press Add More Employees and follow the prompts. Once you have paid for the employee, you can now press the New Employee button and start filling out their information, set their permissions, and the password for access. To manage an existing employee, you can press Manage and View. You can also go in to directly edit them, mark them as inactive, or delete the employee. To edit all the information that shows on their profile, you can press Edit on this screen. This is the same information that you would enter when creating a new employee. If you'd like to upload a profile picture, you can, and this will be shown when this employee is assigned on a work order for your customers to see. After that, you will set a role for your employee, and this will dictate what they're able to see and do in the app or on desktop. You can also choose a color to represent them. Anything in the About box will be visible to your customers when they are assigned a work order. You can also set how your employees are receiving notifications when they are assigned to a work order. Any notes that you put here will be for internal use only. If you press additional information, you can also set information like their hire date, pay rate, a travel rate, and their address. Just make sure when you're done to press Save. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other video on how to set app permissions and set a password. Have a great day.